Lovell. Yeah, I'll do like that. Okay, now let's grab it from my inventory. Okay, here's a Lovell. La, 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 la. Okay, you're about to get named. Boop. There's the first name, Lovell. Now let's name this puppy Johnny. And I'm gonna do green, why not? Or orange, yeah, orange. J-O-N-N-Y. I like these names because why not like them? They're cool, they're cute. Okay, let's get this pup Johnny here. Here's a puppy. Wait, that color's blue. Blue. Don't worry, I'll just switch him back. Let's name this pup. Oops. I'm trying. Oh, here it is. Now let's get the name tag. Orange. There. Now we got more pups. Now let's breed these two. Oops, sorry. Okay, you ready? Yes. Oh, that's so romantic. Sit. Sit. Oh, shoot. Sorry, Toy Freddy. I meant to sit them down. Like that. Pup. Sit. Good boy. Where's that new puppy I got? Oh, that's probably the puppy. Oh well. Now let's see. Get another kitty cat. Oh, hey Mitten. What a lovely day you're having. Let's get another ginger cat. Oh, I forgot. They make babies when they're sitting. Okay, sit. Good job. Oh, don't worry, kitten. Kitty, come on, kitty. Sit down. Kitty. Oh, want to sit with your mother. I mean your father. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Wait. Before I end this video, my profile. Sorry about that, guys. I'm so stupid. Hurry up. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. And don't forget to sub me and leave me more comments to name my animal.